Hey guys, today we're gonna cover this 2024 Cadillac Escalade, and we're covering the video recorder option, right? So I have a memory card right here. This one was purchased on Amazon. It's a 32 gig. It comes already formatted for this car. So if you buy the exact same one, the format is gonna work as soon as you plug it in. And as you can see right there, that's where it goes, right in that little hole. So you come in the back, you pull that cover, and you put this card. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this little, I dropped it. I'm going to use this little converter here to let me access the videos on this. I don't want to do it from the car display. It's a little harder, so I want to plug it in my computer and go through the videos. But what I know is this car does recording. It uses all of its camera and it records, but there's no audio. And also I prefer to have audio, and also I prefer having recording from inside of the car. And I'm going to install an additional dash cam. This is what I purchased. Had this for a while actually, but I'm going to be adding this dash cam, and it has an internal one that's going to go up there. So I'm going to be setting that up in a second, but let's go look at this video real quick. Okay guys, so I've plugged the USB adapter, the converter, right into my computer, and it pops up on my screen under the USB drive. And right here you can see all of my videos, and they're literally by date. So I could just click any of these just to look at them. I'm actually using this VLC media player. As you can see, this is one of the recordings by the driver's side. As you can see, the wheels and everything. So if I play another one, this is the other side. And then I play another one, this is the back. So literally, I think those file names kind of tells you what it is, like RR, MR, FR. Some FR should be like the front. So yeah, as you can see, that's the front. This is great. I love all this, except there is no audio. And I would love to have audio. For that reason, I'm gonna add my dash cam. My dash cam is gonna capture audio for me. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, I'm using this to pry all these areas, pry under here. So my cable is running right under there. See that? I mounted the camera right here, close it to the passenger side. And there's the smaller one, which is gonna go right on top here. It's got a little area for gluing. So I'm gonna be positioning that in place. But for now, I'm just running the wires. I'm gonna run it through the sides. It's gonna go down here, all the way under, and then it's connecting right here on the passenger side. There's an adapter here, so we're gonna put it right on that side, and that should do it. Hey guys, so I got my camera installed. As you can see, the top is the inside, the rest is the outside. This is a 1080p camera. It's not the best, probably should get a 4K soon, but it's nice and installed. You don't see any of the wires running. Everything is nice and clean, and connects right here on the side. I mean, it's perfect. So now, additional to that, I have the regular recorder, which right now is giving me an error. You see that? So the car video recorder is very unstable. Just because I took that memory card and plugged it to a computer, I may have to format it again, because the car now doesn't want to read it. But you see what I mean? This car, the video recorder is very unstable. It's not the best. Literally, I think it's a waste, to be frankly. It should have included sound. It should have had better quality. These cameras' quality are not the best. So, you know, when you buy a $100,000 car, you expect things to be a little better in 2024, at least 4K video, right? Nope. You don't get that. So maybe next year. But just wanted to give you guys this little help in case you're wondering the same. In case you're wondering that this video recorder is going to be amazing. It's going to have very good quality. It's going to catch sound. No, doesn't do any of that. So you will need something like this if you want audio, and also if you want, you know, a backup system that perhaps is going to be working a little better. So like and subscribe for more videos like this.